Hi guys, welcome to this session on data analysis. Well, data input and handling data, really. Okay, and basically what we're going to be doing in this session is taking the data that you guys collected on your pilot studies, and we are going to be inputting that into Excel so that we can organize it and look at ways that we're able to then analyze it. Okay, so from what I understand, most of you guys are using a scan sampling technique in order to collect your behavioral data, which is basically where you collect behavioral data on intervals. Okay, and I've got an example data collection sheet here from a student of mine, and I'm assuming that most of your data collection sheets will look very similar. Okay, so what we've got here, we've got date at the top here, and we've got time, down one side of the data collection sheet, we've got our time intervals that we want to collect data at. And on the other side of the data collection sheet, we've got the behaviors that are coded here that we're interested. Okay, it doesn't really matter what the codes mean for the different behaviors, all right? We're not really concerned with that at this point, okay? Yes, and basically what this student has done is on each interval, so here every interval is 2 minutes, so on an interval, the student has scanned the group and noted down in a tally what each individual in that group is doing. Okay, and then on the next scan, does the same thing again. Scans the group, maybe moves from left to right, just scanning what each individual and noting down what each individual is doing. Okay, and we've got that for 30 minutes worth of time. Okay, so we can treat this example here as a single sample, if you like. All right, remember what I was saying yesterday, that we need to have an adequate sample size in order to conduct statistical analysis. Okay, so we can treat this day and this time as a single sample. Okay, now the first thing we need to do with this data collection sheet before we put it into Excel is tally all of these behaviors up. Okay. And I've done that already as well, just to show you. Okay, so we literally need to tally every one of these behaviors up. Okay, so this is the total amount of times of all the observations that we made, that these observations for each individual behavior were made. Okay, so you guys need to do that. Once you've done that, we can then look at inputting that into Excel.